I earned lots of money from GTA 6, even though GTA 6 isn't launched yet. Yeah, I'm not saying GTA 5, GTA 6. But I don't even work for Rockstar Games. But then how did this happen, right? While millions of gamers are saving up $70+ to buy GTA 6, a small group of people are positioning themselves to get paid by GTA 6. Here is the best part. Doing this is not hard at all. It is actually easier than finishing a single mission in the GTA. It is not complicated and you can do it too. My name is Alp, I have been into tech and games. I have been following every technological development for years and making money off of it. Today I will be explaining exactly how I turned this game into a portfolio asset. And I will cover my personal strategy, how I bought in early and why I'm still holding. The second part, the hidden assets. Why Take-Two Interactive is way more than just GTA. And in the second part, I'll explain some bonuses of my investment strategy. And it is way bigger than GTA. And in the next part, we will talk about numbers. We will look at the 2025 earnings and 2026 projections. And about the next one, and in the last section, we will cover the risks. What could go wrong and how to protect yourself. Let's dive into the real life money glitch. So here's the truth. I made money from GTA 6 before it even launched. How? By simply investing in GTA 6. Can you even invest to GTA 6? Yes, you can. Because you can invest to parent company, which is Take-Two Interactive. Years ago, when the hype was just rumors, I started thinking about investing to Take-Two. I was already working in the game industry as a 3D artist. I knew that Rockstar Games is a crazy company and I would like to be a shareholder of this company. But you can't directly invest Rockstar Games, but you can invest the parent company of Rockstar Games, which is Take-Two Interactive. GTA 6 is the most waiting game in the world. There is a huge potential explosion of revenue, and this will lead to profit for the shareholders. If you want to replicate this strategy, you have to understand what you're actually buying. Most people think investing in Take-Two is just betting on GTA. That is a rookie mistake. And in this video, I'll tell you why this is a rookie mistake. When I bought in, I look at their entire war chest. NBA 2K, actual bestseller that dominates sports gaming. And they even have Zynga. This was their massive mobile acquisition. While we wait for GTA, Zynga is the quiet engine in the background churning out cash from mobile games. Let's look at the cold hard data. We are in 2026 now. Looking back at their fiscal year 2025, Take-Two pulled in around $5.65 billion in net bookings. But there is the metric that matters most to investors. Recurrent consumer spending. That's the microtransactions, the battle passes, and the subscriptions. That number is sitting around 77% of their total bookings. That means they don't just sell games, they run a service economy. And that is only before GTA 6 Online even touches the market. What about the projection for late 2026 and beyond? Wall Street is expecting a vertical line on that chart. The moment GTA 6 launches, we are not just looking at a game sales, we are looking at a decade of recurrent revenue. We have to talk about risks too. Even with an easy strategy, you can lose money. Okay, risk number one. The cyberpunk effect. If GTA 6 launches broken, buggy or unplayable, the stock will tank. We saw it happen with CD Projekt Red. And let's move to risk number two, the timeline. If they announce a delay to 2027 or 2028, expect a massive sell-off. The market hates waiting. Risk number three, the mobile trap. There's also execution risk with Zynga. If the mobile market slows down, or if regulators crack down on loot boxes that has steady cash flow I mentioned earlier will dry up. And there is risk 4, which is the lawsuit against Rockstar Games. Rockstar has already a problem and they are dealing with that. But more lawsuits can add up. So, is it too late to get in? Not necessarily, but as I said in the beginning, the easy money phase is closing. Now we are in the execution phase. Investing in what you know is the best thing you can do, like video games. Or if you're a 3D artist, 3D companies, 3D technologies. Or if you work in the banking, then bank stocks. Or if you have valuable insights in the health industry, then some health company. But in my case, I invested in GTA 6 with buying Take-Two stocks. You can do the same by watching who owns the next big thing. We all have that one friend who has been waiting for GTA 6 for even 10 years. If you found value in this breakdown, do me a favor, please share this video